Alright guys, we are pulling out the carpet. Is it coming off the sides too? Oh yeah, buddy. That's looking good. Oh, is that wood down there?
Dude, we don't even need anything. We just clean that up.
Just paint it.
Bro, yeah.
Shoot, man. Alright, that's fine.
Dude, just this is gonna be annoying. We can lay some wood on that.
Yeah.
Dude, we might actually. How does that feel?
Nah, let's put down that rubber stuff. Probably feels dirty. Oh, you're ripping out staples. You're ripping out staples. Oh my god.
I don't want to grab onto this. The carpet's out.
That's nasty, dude.
Watch out for staples.
Hold on, let me get a wrench. Goodbye, carpet. Oh, we kind of left all the nasty stuff here. Carpet's out.
Dude, it made my hands like pruny, like from water.
Alright guys, Matt Motors here. We're back again, and hope you all are having a good day whenever you're watching, day or night. Here's a little informative information on the boat. We are rebuilding, well, we're not really rebuilding the engine because it's mostly good, but we are putting a gasket kit on it right now. I know y'all always want to see the boat, so here's the boat right here. And also, probably part 4 or part 5 will probably be us doing flooring on it. But today we are going to clean some of these panels. These are like little trim pieces that went along the side of the boat. I'm going to clean these, and then the last thing to clean leather wise is this seat, and then that's it. Then we're done with all the cleaning of the leather seating and trim and cushions and all that, and then we're good. So let's go to a time lapse. And now we are going to do this cushion right here. Let's skip to it. Yeah, that really did not turn out that great. All the other cushions though, like these all came out pretty well. That one came out well. That one was decent. Those came out okay. And the seats didn't come very clean, but still better than they were before. And this one's probably just the worst one out of all of them. This is probably the one that didn't get the most clean. But hey, it's whatever. Now, every single piece of leather that is on the boat, I just realized this. Every single piece of leather that is on the boat is cleaned. And it's all ready to go back in. Once we put down the flooring and stuff, we'll be ready to put all the cushions back in. So, yay. Alright guys, so some new parts have come in for the boat. We ordered a gasket set because we figured that was all it needed. And so right now we were trying to get off this old oil pan gasket, which we mostly got.
A real scraper here.
Yeah,
legitimate.
which we mostly got all the way off except for right here, and right there, and right there. Right, new oil pan gasket is on. And the oil pan needs to come back on now. So we're putting the bolts back in for the oil pan. These big chungus go back here. Put the head back on. Yes, sir. Ooh.
Come on, where's it gonna slop down?
Right there. Boom shakalaka. We are torquing down the cylinder head. How good is that going? Alright, Nick here is cleaning off the gasket of the header, manifold, whatever you want to call it.
There's an intake and a manifold here, which is really weird.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was all in the same. So these two are for air, and these four for air, and these four for exhaust. It's just a weird setup. Cars aren't like that. Not that I know of.
Yeah, that's weird.
One, it's an intake and exhaust manifold all in one.
Sweet. Alright, she's coming back together now. Oh yeah. God dang, son. Talk about rust. So here are the hydraulic lifters here. We had to take this cover off because two of the outer push rods would not go in. And here's your hydraulic lifter here. It slides in that hole. Or will it? There we go. Nice. That one doesn't look seated all the way.
There's that one, but that's because the can's on it.
Ah, thanks. Okay. Well, there's the hydraulic lifters. That's why the push rods won't go down. Oh, now we are putting the head gasket on for the second time. And the distributor is going to back in. So we got the head back on and push rods are going in. You're probably going to have to loosen these and then tighten them back down to get all the push rods in. The push rods go in and head bolts go in. Well, head bolts.
Good. Very good. All of them are tight.
Nor.
All of them are tight. We send it.
Nor.
We send it now.
Oh yeah, we set it like this. Ninety. Sick. That's right. Done. Now we put the push rods in. Try to make sure they're sitting on the lifters. Hey, the one on the far side now?
Where'd all the... Oh, that's not the hole.
I'm thinking that we're gonna have to loosen these nuts up now.
Yep. Most.
These will have torch specs.
No, they will have clearances.
Dude, I'm on my game today.
What size is it?
6'3".
Alright, all the push rods are in. Gasket for
Where are the bolts?
valve cover. That's a good question.
Oh, they're in the boat probably.
Yeah.
Soaked with water.
Yeah. Well, valve cover going back on. Might want to clean it out though. Is it disgusting? Gotta get all that old gasket off. Nasty. Nasty stuff. Alrighty. We are trying to find valve cover bolts. How much is it in there?
That's not that bad. I think I'm gonna shimmy up there.
Like underneath? Yeah, do it.
Hold it up for me.
Oh my goodness, it's so cool under here.
Might be nice and warm.
Dude, I'm just trying to find the valve cover bolts. I know they're up here.
Somewhere. Valve cover's back on now. And we'll put this exhaust piece on. Not in the hole. That's what she said. That's what he said.
Hopefully that's not what she said.
Stick her in. Alright guys, that is all for part 3 of the boat build on YouTube. Part 4 will be probably putting this back in the boat. I think we still have a few more things to put on. We have the belt to put on and the water pump. But other than that, I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and part 4 will be coming soon.